Hello everyone. So this video is basically for Forex traders, but basically for a stock market trader, crypto trader, Forex trader, anything trading, online trading. This is a financial advice for all traders. Where a lot of people in the trading community will know it as advice on risk management, but it's more in depth of you know of a financial advice, regardless of whatever country you are that are into trading, you need this financial advice. So first of all, when it comes into trading, reduce the goal or the aim of you want to make quick money or you want to triple the money, you want to X to the money, because no business in this world can give you that that trading kind of ROI, return on investment. No business in this world can give you that kind of ROI. So technically, trading is kind of like little of, let me not even say technically, logically, hypothetically, trading is like gambling or ball. You are trading business, you are trading currencies, real currencies, which is what makes it not fully gambling. And with that, you don't have control of the market. You just analyze the market. It's not like a business whereby you create the business, you are running the business, you know what to do to make the business go well. But the only part where you can't control the business fully is the end part of the business, which is the audience or the buyers that will purchase your product or that will purchase the products or services your business is offering to make your business grow, which you can be able to manipulate it well to by marketing your business more to new audience. But in trading, you are basically just trying to analyze the market to make money of it. And where in the moment where there is whereby you don't have like full authority over a way you are using to make money, there's high chances of losses, not even chance, like massive chances of loss. And when you're now greedy, that is where you kind of like lose your money in it. So like when you come online, don't be enticed by all these guru traders, pay for their monthly fee, monthly academy course and everything. Although it's good to learn, but be very careful and do your in-depth background check on wherever you are trying to purchase their course to learn how to trade, whether forex or crypto or stocks. Run a background check and always make sure they are now this whether their course is kind of like trash or they're teaching you trash or is an outdated course or they're just in for the money. Like you will know, like they always give up this vibe of I only want your money. They are not interested in what they're teaching you. Or maybe most in most cases when this occurs is when their course is outdated or they only care about selling courses instead of making instead of what the course will offer to you. And the only thing that can encourage you to buy that course when you've even noticed the vibe from the seller of the course is if is if you are greedy. So that's where greed comes in. It's only if you are greedy because at that moment your brain kind of like shuts off and you can't be able to analyze whether you're purchasing a fake course, a bad course, or a good course because you just want to your mind will be like, I'm buying this course so I can start making money this week. Whereas in trading in general, you buying the course, whether the course is good or bad, doesn't guarantee you become a millionaire that week. Because there are some that even have the greed of becoming a millionaire in a day. It's not possible. It takes time. Like takes time. Like even if you make your let's say you bought the course and you make a target of making back your return on your capital in a month, it's still more reasonable. Although logically you can still lose the money, but it's still more reasonable if you are patient, you have no greed, and you always like you basically have 0% greed. But as we human beings, we tend to naturally have greed because of peer influence, bills, a lot of things that influence our greed, which is massive. Except you are an introvert and you are contented, that's the only way you can have greed. Even you yourself will have little greed because when you hop off trading to interact in real life, you see something that will like, okay, I want to buy this car. Boom, that thing pushes your greed and you go back to trading and you burn your whole entire money. So in general, you just need to reduce your greed, like totally reduce it, like try a way to reduce it, and you need to know how to manage you need to know risk management very well. Everything is all in the mind game actually because if you are like super poor, you always be greedy. If you're like super rich, you always be like regardless of anyone, you always be greedy. It's natural because the rich want to become more rich, the poor want to become rich. So basically everybody be chasing one angle. We should keep influencing, pushing their greed level. They want to make more when they're not supposed to make more. And the market whereby you don't control like everything, you only analyze you only analyze everything perfectly well, but that doesn't mean the market can go against you. Which And when market go against you, that's when your greed level comes down to zero and you lose the money that is supposed to be patience and trade at the perfect time. You lose everything due to your greed level. So for me, I prefer kind of like making half, like making 0.50%, let me just say 50% of my capital each month than making 100% of my capital. Even if it is 10% every week, it's still preferable than making 100% because with that way, the more you grow the capital slowly, the more it's kind of like someone using $100 budget to start trading and someone using $100 million budget to start someone using $1 million budget to start trading. The difference is there. Someone using $1 million to trade and the seller, okay, I'm okay with 10% every month, is making 100K a month. Whereas you making $100 a month, you be like the greed level will be different. Like the greed level, there's a massive greed level there. You using $100, you will not be satisfied with it, making $10 every month. You will not be satisfied with that. But if you keep growing, because basically you're not rushing, like no need to rush. If you keep growing that $100 slowly, 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 like it grows for a whole year to like 10K. Now look at 10K, make it 10% of $10,000 every week or every month. That's like $1,000 every week. That's 10% of $10,000 is $1,000. So like you comparing it, you see the difference. It's better to start slow, grow it to a higher amount, then the higher the capital, the higher the profit. Not the higher the capital, the moderate the profit. So like, and it also reduces your greed because making 1K a week is actually makes sense because even if the loss is incurred, because most now I'm talking about profit, even if the loss is going to incur, you won't actually feel it. Like let's say, okay, in a week you made 1K but you lost $200, that's like $800. Let's say you made 1K and you lost $200. That's like in total you made 1 2 but you lost 200, which is $1,000 weekly. But in when you are trading with $100, you lost $20 and you made $80. Like even losing $20 out of $100 capital is life threatening already for you when you have a deal around. At that moment, you want to make more. So you won't calculate or reason in a way that, hey, I want to kind of like you won't calculate in a way like, okay, I want to kind of like grow this anymore. You want to recover your losses. From there, the greed is entering it and you're making massive loss in trading. From there you quit, from there you say forex is scam, forex is this, forex is gambling, that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what I don't want to talk about. So even if you are watching the trades that I make, I always calculate analytically very well. I don't kind of like rush or greed, like because I take trading like a side work. Like I make sure my greed level is totally zero. I don't get influenced. I mean, thankfully I have a job, so I'll just say if you want to go into trading, don't take it as a full-time trade. Like I'm trading full-time, but take like a side so that you'll not be influenced to trade too much and lose your money. So yeah, that's pretty much the financial advice I want to make to you guys. So you can, because I've seen tons of people and people that are still losing money daily, weekly due to their greed level, which is really bad. So I hope this financial advice meets you guys well. I hope you take this advice well and make good use of it. So that's all I have to say. Happy trading to the old traders in the world. And as I always say, reduce your greed level, be patient, trade well, and we will all be driving a Lambo soon.